Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you how you can set up Alexa on your Samsung TV. So you're going to go to the Alexa app, going to go to Settings, Skills and Games, and search for Smart Things. It is actually all one word. If you search for Smart Things as two words, it doesn't come up. Smart Things is one of the things that you should have set up your TV with, and you basically can just log in with Samsung. So we want this one here with the like pentagonal sort of icon, and we enable to use, and then it will take us to here. Log in with your Samsung account is what we want to do, and then you want to log in with your account. So I'm going to blur this bit out, and there we go. Input my details, and I've got two-factor authentication on, so that all happen. So now we want to authorize it, and we just click the blue authorize button. Very simple, and that will allow us to connect the smart things to the app, which then allows you to connect to your TV basically. So we want to close this message, and then once this message is closed, a little pop-up should appear, and then we click discover devices. So this may take a while. In fact, for me, it probably took the whole 45 seconds. And basically, it's just looking for new devices to connect to on the network. So your Samsung TV should be on the same network as the um, Alexa, so it should be able to connect. And once that's happened, it will find it and it will let you know. So that will take another couple of seconds, 5 seconds maybe. Once it has found it, it will then give you a message, and we will see that in a second. I don't know why it takes so long. It didn't take this long in the first try. This is a demo video, so don't know. Right, anyway, once it has loaded, which will should be about now, we will see a message come up on the screen which will then say, oh yeah, we found your device, which is great because that's what you would like. There we go. One TV found and connected. Set up device, and you can say where your device is. So it's in my bedroom. You want to add it to the group, and then boom, it's added to the group. You want to click done, and you want to probably rename that because that's quite a long name to ask your buddy for. Um, Obviously, you know who your buddy is, the Amazon device. So we want to edit the name, and then you can call it whatever you want. You can call it your name's TV or whatever, um, or just call it Samsung TV or whatever you want. You can change the description and that. And it says connected via, and it says Samsung, not Samsung, Smart Things, which is what it's connected by. And you can't change that, but I think that's quite nice to know, like where it's getting the devices from. Here's a list of all your devices that are connected to the app, and boom, it is now all set up. So now when you use that special word, you can find it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the